I am making blueberry zucchini loaf. Now, got my favorite shredding glove right here. And going to shred my zucchini. There we go. There's a big piece. This thing is so nice. I do not cut my hands. Absolutely love it. Just throw it in the washer. Okay, so I got my zucchini, and then it needs lemon zest. Now, here's a little trick. If you smush your lemon like this, it will soften up inside, and then you can zest it, and you will have more juice. After you're done zesting it, you can have more juice. This one is not zesting. Okay, this lemon is not zesting. That's hilarious. Okay, now I'm getting a little bit. Okay, there we go. Get it in there. Now, then we also need, whoa, our lemon juice. That is a juicy lemon. Oh shoot, I forgot. My strainer is out with my deer repellent. Oops. Okay, so let me see if I can just catch all the seeds. Wow, no seeds are coming out. Now the recipe for this will be in the description below. As always, sometimes I forget, so if I forget, put it in there. Please kindly remind me. This is the 12 Days of Zucchini series. Wow, this one really has a lot of juice in it. All right, now as you guys know, I normally put in my dry ingredients, stir them, and then put in my wet ingredients, but since I need to grate the zucchini, I didn't want to get my grater all filled with flour and everything. So I'm just throwing it all in there this time. So I got my flour, 1, 2, and sugar, and my baking powder and salt, and my oil, and eggs and buttermilk. Now, normally I don't have buttermilk on hand, so what I do is I just take my regular milk, or in this case I need to use up my dry milk, so I'm going to take my dry milk here and I'm going to put a drop of vinegar or lemon juice. There's already lemon juice in here, so I probably don't need it, but to just sour my buttermilk. I'm going to let that sit for just a minute, so to let it get soured. Okay, and then I've got my buttermilk, my fake buttermilk. Now we're just going to mix this all together. Then I've got my blueberries. And I'm going to mix that all together. Oh, yum. Then my loaf pan. A reusable oil sprayer. And I'm going to sprinkle a few blueberries on top to decorate. All right, and now we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees. I have my water here. I'm gonna make some homemade lemon juice using my True Lemon packets. I love these things. Just so you can see how it's done. Whoops, if I can get it to open. Oops, that one got a little water or something in it. Okay, do this one. Ah, what happened to my lemon packets? Got water or something on them. Oh dear. Well, that's irritating. Okay, there. Open this one up. There we go. Okay. Now, I have never had that happen before, but we'll get it dissolved. There. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. Add our powdered sugar. Oh yum, that looks so good. Okay, I should have followed the recipe, but I just made it up and I got way too much, but that's okay. I'll just save part of it for my next video that I need a lemon glaze for. I will just have to find a lemon glaze needed. All right, there we go. Oh my goodness, that's perfect. All right, and there we have our blueberry lemon loaf, zucchini blueberry lemon loaf. Oh yum. Thumbnail. Woo! Okay, now taste test. Is it delicious?